first FIFA World Cup ever was held in 1930, with 13 teams invited. Since then, the Soccer World Cup logo has been changing with a notable evolution through the decades. The World Cup has been constantly expanding to its current 32 teams final tournament, but involves over 200 teams qualifying throughout the two-year period. As soccer began to increase in popularity, it became an Olympic sport by 1990. During the first four World Cups, FIFA created event posters instead of logos. The very first poster was released for the 1930 tournament in Uruguay. Host countries used to have total control over their tournament's visual identity, often using the figure of a soccer ball, the world, stadiums, flags, and the concepts of unity and championship. With a shockingly simple tradition-defining logo, Mexico hosted the games in the 70s, setting a kind of a trend with the single color design for the next logos. Now we can call them logos, since the host country would customize the logo with its name, national colors, and a soccer ball, keeping it pretty simple and minimalist. For the 2002 FIFA World Cup, Korea-Japan dropped this artsy and dynamic logo. We are done with the simple logos and the 21st century kicks in. World Cup begins with the unified visual identity we know up to date. No more host country gets to do whatever they want. Focusing on new concepts like modernity, union, and diversity. Magic meets the dream. Russia is a land of magic. Its mystical and enchanting tales from years gone by will combine with the heartfelt generosity and ambition of its people to welcome the world in 2018. What's your favorite? Do you have any anecdote from any World Cup? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to create your own sports team logo, don't forget Placeit has some fantastic team logo makers that are really easy to use. Just go to placeit.net and click on the logos. You can just search for your perfect sport and get creative with different graphics, colors, and fonts. We actually have a tutorial here about how to create your own sports team logo. Go and check it out.